In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and select settings. Now locate and open voicemail and click on notifications. And right here you can smoothly change the sound by tapping on sound and then pick the sound from the following list, the one that you like the most. So I will show you 3 of them, then we will set the 4th. So 1, 2, 3, and let me pick something from Galaxy list. It can be glitter. Then let's go back, and as you can see, the notification sound has been changed. So that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and easy change voicemail notification sound in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.